12. Conclusion. How does it feel to create a fair and equitable family business legacy plan? Success is not measured by money or power or social rank. Success is measured by your discipline and inner peace. Mike Ditka. In this final chapter, my goal is for you to feel happy that you have created and implemented a family business legacy plan to secure the continuity of your business, and for you to enjoy peace and harmony with your family. From the beginning of this book, I wrote about your need to create a family business legacy plan to legally avoid paying too much money in taxes, and to give you peace of mind. Therefore, throughout the book, I shared ideas to minimize taxes and to create and implement a plan that is fair, equitable, and in alignment with your values. I hope that after listening to this book, you too will know how to create a family business legacy plan, and you feel excited about it because you now have a clear vision about your plan, and you are no longer worried about losing money to irresponsible choices due to lack of proper business and estate planning. You will face challenges and opportunities as you proceed to create and implement your unique plan, and I know that you have the fortitude to overcome those challenges and take advantages of the opportunities. I hope that you will take time to read and implement some of the ideas identified in this book. You must decide whether you want business continuity or to sell your business. Whichever path you choose, it will be the right decision for you. However, you must surround yourself with the right advisors, such as your tax accountant, attorney, business advisor, etc., to help you create and implement this life-changing decision. Like Stephanie, the owner of an import-export business owner I introduced to you in Chapter 1, you do not need to have all your family business legacy issues figured out to start the process. But you do need the right attitude and frame of mind to decide that enough is enough and start the process of creating a family business legacy plan to enable you to identify and prioritize your personal and business assets, to help you minimize federal, state, and city taxes and maximize the money that you will keep for yourself, your family, and for your charitable organizations. The biggest mistake successful business owners make is not to seek professional advice and instead worry about losing money due to irresponsible choices. You do not need to have all your family business legacy issues figured out to start the process. The family business legacy plan process will enable you to identify and prioritize your personal and business assets, will minimize federal, state, and city taxes, and enable you to keep more money for your family and for your charitable organizations. The biggest mistake successful business owners make is not to seek professional advice and instead worry about losing money due to irresponsible choices. In Stephanie's case, it only took 2 weeks to understand her overall business and prioritize her primary goals and objectives, which enabled us to help her create a financial forecast to determine the potential value of the business. We were also able to identify the most important issues facing her business and create a fair and equitable family business succession plan that allowed the company to grow and diversify, while identifying currency hedging strategies, such as foreign exchange forward contracts, to better manage the Argentinian currency fluctuation. When creating your family business legacy plan, identify your goals and objectives, and decide on a time frame to accomplish the desired outcome. It is important to identify the family members who will contribute to the creation of the legacy plan, your negotiable versus non-negotiable considerations, and even those who may not be happy with your decision. Some of my clients have found out the importance of creating and implementing charter provisions that promote family unity and affiliation. The charter provisions capture important benefits, both tangible and intangible, to facilitate a smooth process for leadership succession, a tangible benefit. Each generation will find their passion, and each family member must earn their place within the organization, be properly trained, and compensated accordingly. It is important to identify a complete inventory of your personal assets and your business balance sheet, and to seek advice from your advisors and family members to get clear on your short and long-term goals. Envision what your ideal family business legacy plan will look like, what it will accomplish. Create a value, mission, and vision statement with your family members' participation. These values will become your family's North Star when your family is facing challenging business and financial decisions. In a business, a balance sheet is a specific financial document that summarizes your business assets. It is a record that objectively determines your company's value based on its assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity. When you take a family enterprise view, we begin with the end in mind. And rather than looking at 3 to 5 years, family businesses often plan longer term. For instance, a 100-year business legacy plan covers 3 generations, which is far more to consider from a planning perspective. A family enterprise is composed of personal, work, and business. The goal is to increase the value of the family assets over time, to decrease threatening liabilities, and to increase the family enterprise equity overall. Some of the ways that families define wealth include financial, structural, heritage and values, community, human talent, and family. Combined, these represent the total value of the family enterprise and include much more than just the bank account balance. They consider individual and family success, preservation, happiness, and intellectual wealth. These are truly the foundations of a successful family enterprise. The time to act is now. If you are still listening to this book, I know that you are ready to start a family business legacy plan to protect, preserve your financial well-being, to live the lifestyle you've always dreamed of, and to avail yourself with life choices leading to total fulfillment and happiness. I wish you much success in creating and implementing a fair and equitable family business legacy plan. In closing, my wish for you is that you feel happy that you have created and implemented a family business legacy plan to secure the continuity of your business and enjoy peace and harmony with your family.